Hi! In this video I will show you how to install UiPath extensions using a couple of different ways. So the first one is just using Studio. So open up your Studio, go into Home, navigate to Tools menu, and you can see here that there is a list of all the available UiPath extensions. So installing the extension is just as simple as clicking on that extension, and we're done. Alternatively, you can do the same using the command prompt, so you would need admin rights to do that. So let's go ahead and see how to do that. So open your command prompt. You start first by changing directory to the root directory where your UiPath application resides. Now, if you have an enterprise license, then this root directory would be in your program files. So start by changing directory to the program files UiPath folder, like this. If you're using a community version, like I am, then you would need to change your directory to a slightly different folder path. So in the community version, your application resides in your user folder, app data local, followed by UiPath, and the subfolder which has this format of app, followed by the version of your UiPath Studio. So you can see here I'm using 20.4.1, and that's why this says 20.4.1. So click Enter. Now we've changed our directory. So the next step is to just run the setup extensions executable, followed by the relevant switch. So the switch can say, for example, /Chrome or /Java. In our case, if you don't necessarily remember all the switches, you can just click Enter, and we'll show you all the available switches. So let's go on and install Chrome. And you can see here it's been installed successfully. So finally, if you were installing Chrome, the next step you need to do is to navigate to Chrome extensions in your Google Chrome. Scroll down to your UiPath extension, click on Details, and ensure you have this Allow in Incognito and Allow Access to File URLs switched on.